crew that was here today, or yesterday and today. Your professionalism, your cleanliness, your courtesy, your knowledge of what you were doing, and you know, your safety measures. You know, everyone had their lanyards on at all times. I work construction, and that's something that is a must. And it was very nice seeing you guys all. Nobody grumbled about, you know, having to wear them. It was professional. You had them on, and made us as homeowners feel better. You know that your safety. You were concerned about your own, and I, you know, no, I didn't have to worry about, you know, you guys falling off. I'd have to bury you or something.
That's awesome. Thank you. Do you guys have any additional comments you'd like to offer? I think we pretty much covered everything.
Yeah, I think so. We do appreciate, you know, what you guys have done for us. We're very proud to be part of the upcoming future of, you know, the solar power and stuff like this. And we're a great group of guys to be around. And we do appreciate your professionalism.